Hide posts on Instagram. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So to hide posts on Instagram, firstly what you have to do is you have to open your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that you come to your profile page, and here what you can do is you can simply go to your posts. You can choose any of the posts that you want to hide. So let's see, I want to hide this post. So you have to firstly click on the three dots of this post in the top right corner, and then here you can see the option of archive. Click on the archive, and now it is hidden. So here you can see that this post is no more available here. So it means it is go to the archive. Yeah. So you have hidden your post. But if your mind change in the future and you want to bring back your post, what you can do is you can click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here you can see this pop-up menu appears, and from this menu you can see the second option, archive. Click on the archive, and in the stories archive you can see all the stories, archive of the your stories. But in the you can see the arrow in the right side of the storage archive. When you click on this, then you can see the in the bottom three options: storage archive, post archive, live archive. You have to go to the post archive, and here you can see this post. You have to open this post, and what you can do to unhide is you have to click on the three dots of this post, and then you can see in the bottom uh, um, there is option show on profile. Click on the show on profile, and it will bring back the post. So what you can do is when you refresh the post, then here you can see it is available. So it will bring back the post with the no any like or comments or anything gains. So you can't gain or lose the comments or likes interactions. So you can so that's basically that how you can hide posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.